Guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com. First things first, guys, it's Thursday. You guys know what Thursday is. 8:30 every Thursday morning. We have the U.S. initial jobless claims. These are how many people are filing unemployment claims across the United States here. So first off, we were expecting 846,000 new claims this past week. Instead, a little bit higher, a little bit around 40,000 more claims. 884,000 were just released here. Now, here's the thing: the previous week it was 881,000, so we're even higher than the previous week here. But here's the other thing: continued claims. This is something really important for the market. So you got the people that are filing their unemployment claims weekly, right? And then you have the people who are continuing to stay on unemployment. And these are the important numbers because these are telling us if people are starting to get jobs and the economy is starting to pick back up, or are more people still laid off, still collecting unemployment. And here's the numbers for that. So the U.S. continued claims for August 28th, 13.385 million versus 12.925 million that were expected. So there's about 500,000 more continued claims than we were expecting. So the previous one was 13.254 million. So we're pretty much, seeing those continued claims holding higher, and the initial jobless claims, unemployment claims climb here as well. Not too bad though, but you remember when they were over 1 million every week, so it's nice to see them under 900,000 even. So I like what I'm seeing there. Markets were down in the pre-market this morning after these numbers came out. Markets are starting to pick up. We have the Dow up about 20 points right now. NASDAQ's up about 70 points, which is really nice. And leading the NASDAQ is Apple. Apple's up about 2.5% here in the pre-market hours, up about $3 here to $120 a share. We have Facebook up about 1% at 275.37. We have Microsoft at 212.58. continuing to climb higher there. And then we also have NVIDIA continuing to climb up to over 2% this morning, up at $519 a share. This was just at $480 a couple days ago. So we're definitely seeing a pop there. Another big one, Overstock is up 11% in the pre-market hours. Tesla's up over 5%, 5.38%, seeing that back up at $386 a share. So we got a nice move there on the markets. I'm really looking forward to the day. Also, we got Snapchat. We got a nice Snapchat trade. Snapchat's nearing $24 a share right now. Thinking about adding to our Snapchat trades. Might be buying back the Facebook short leg on our vertical spread there, depending if Facebook breaks above 280 a share. So I love what we're seeing here. The airlines are starting to move here in the pre-market hours as well. Let's see what the cruise lines are doing. The cruise lines are climbing here as well, up about 1%. So looking good, guys. I'm looking forward to the day. AMD is still climbing here as well. Amazon's already up $27 here in the pre-market hours, up about 1%. I like what we're seeing, guys, and I'm really looking forward to the day. So there's your pre-market video, guys. I'll see you guys in the trade room, and I'll see you live at 9:30. Take care. Have a great day. God bless, and stay safe out there.